This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in a Toyota Sienna. First, gather your essential tools and supplies. You'll need a 13mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have 5½ quarts of new 5W30 synthetic engine oil and a new oil filter. Safety is paramount, so always use jack stands after lifting your vehicle. Consulting your owner's manual will confirm the correct oil specifications for your specific model. Now, let's get rid of that old oil. Safely position yourself under the front of your Sienna. Locate the oil drain plug, typically a 13mm bolt, on the bottom of the oil pan. Place your drain pan directly beneath it. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Allow the old engine oil to drain completely into the pan, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter. Locate the old oil filter, often near the drain plug. Use an oil filter wrench to remove it. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of new oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it an additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn. Reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer, tightening it to 29 foot-pounds. Finally, let's add the fresh oil. Locate the oil filler cap on the top of your engine, usually marked with an oil can symbol. Using a funnel, carefully pour in approximately 5½ quarts of the recommended 5W30 synthetic engine oil. Replace the filler cap securely. Start the engine for about 30 seconds, then turn it off. After a few minutes, check the oil level with the dipstick and inspect for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.